Your dentist is about to transform your dental experience because your dentist is a Waterlase dentist. For you and your family, going to the dentist will never be the same again. Your dentist has invested in enhancing your comfort and clinical care with a Waterlase dental laser. The Waterlase is a revolutionary tool for dentists that uses a unique combination of laser energy and water. Studies have shown that Waterlase dentistry can be less traumatic than the drill.
Laser wounds heal with less inflammation, so there's less discomfort, there's less bleeding, there's less swelling, less redness, and there's less complications like post-operative infections. So in many instances, patients aren't even aware of the fact that they've had a procedure.
You can just have your treatment done, no anticipation. So I do think it's going to change how people feel about coming to the dentist.
The idea is to fix the diseased part of your tooth, gums, or bone without damaging adjacent healthy tissue.
Its precise, conservative nature allows us to do minimally invasive dentistry and conserve as much healthy tooth structure and healthy tissue as possible, which always provides the best end result for the patient long term.
Your dentist cares about your comfort and the quality of your dental work. Your dentist knows that no one likes shots or leaving the office with a numb lip.
Well, I think just about everybody's afraid of the needle. I always talk about, do I have to get a shot, or am I going to need a shot for this procedure? And with the Waterlase, I virtually eliminated that aspect from my practice.
Because Waterlase dentistry is gentle on teeth, your dentist may be able to treat you with fewer shots and less anesthesia.
To be able to go in and sit down and predictably work on patients without local anesthetic on a day-to-day basis, I think even though you hear that, when I really sat down and did it, it surprised me.
So relax. With the Waterlase, patients often report experiencing less discomfort after dental visits and needing less pain medication afterwards.
Now I would have no problem coming to the dentist. I wouldn't have any anxiety. I don't have to worry about having needles and the drilling, and so yeah, I would come to the dentist now.
Particularly for the patients that are very fearful, the ones that are apprehensive. They're afraid of needles, they're afraid of drills. They avoid coming to the dentist because of their fears. For many of them at that point in time, they're embarrassed because they're afraid, and they have a difficult time just coming to have routine dental treatment done. And being able to take that patient and treat them in an environment where they're comfortable, they're remarkably happy when the procedure is over.
Besides making visits to the dentist more comfortable, Waterlase could also mean fewer visits as well. In many cases, dental work that once took several appointments to complete, such as multiple fillings, can now be finished in just one visit.
Generally, a tooth filling appointment is maybe a 40 or 60-minute appointment. Now, when we can sit down and pick up the Waterlase and go right to work with the laser doing the cavity preparation and then go ahead and restoring the teeth, a lot of times those appointments are 10, 15 minutes at the most in terms of length. And so the patients are always like, wow, you're done already, and that was fast, and it was painless, and it's something that they really enjoy.
You want your dentist to provide all of your dental needs. Well, your trained and experienced Waterlase dentist can now perform a wider range of procedures. Waterlase dentistry means your dentist may be able to treat you for many dental problems that might have called for a separate visit to a specialist.
When I first started using lasers 15 years ago, we just used them to treat soft tissue, and we were doing just minor procedures at the time. And now we're able to do root canals and bone surgery and crown lengthenings and gum surgery and fillings and crown preparations and smile designs. And I mean, the list just continues to grow.
We think you'll like Waterlase dentistry so much, you'll be telling friends and family about your Waterlase dentist.
For people who have a lot of anxiety with dental procedures, if they have a fear of needles or they don't like the feeling or the sounds of the drills, I would definitely recommend that they use the Waterlase.
So relax. Your dentist is a Waterlase dentist. So it's all about your comfort. Imagine how that's going to transform your dental experience.